When we run, we burn energy, and this generates heat. To cool down, heat is transferred and lost to the environment. Refrigeration works by similar principles. This process requires energy. Both heat and energy are lost. By installing a gear heat pump, we can capture the waste heat, and by adding a small amount of extra energy, we transform it all into usable heat for all kinds of purposes. This is energy efficient, and the carbon footprint is drastically lowered. By using a natural refrigerant, you achieve optimal sustainability, ultimately resulting in an environmentally friendly and low total cost of ownership solution. At GEA, we believe in creating total solutions that help our customers. No matter the need, no challenge is too great. GEA, engineering for a better world.